Henan Zhongrui Machinery specializes in designing and manufacturing high-quality soybean oil extraction equipment. Their product line includes various types of pressing machines, solvent extraction systems, refining equipment, and more. Each piece of machinery is engineered with precision to ensure optimal performance and durability. Whether you are looking for cold pressing or hot pressing technology, in addition to providing top-notch machinery, Henan Zhongrui also emphasizes after-sales service. From installation and commissioning to regular maintenance checks, their experienced technicians are always ready to assist customers throughout the entire process. This level of dedication has earned them a strong reputation globally. For those seeking reliable and efficient soybean oil processing equipment, Henan Zhongrui Machinery Co. Limited is undoubtedly an excellent choice. With its robust product offerings, unwavering focus on quality, and exceptional customer support,